Welcome to the me&co assembly video. Before we begin, make sure you have all the parts listed in the assembly guide and organize them by type and size. You will also need a Phillips or star screwdriver. Lay the right side panel down on a soft surface and screw in the cam pins. Next, insert cams into the shelf panels, ensuring the arrows point towards the nearest edge. Position the shelf panel over the cam pins on the right side panel and tighten the cams. Attach the front and back skirtings to the right side panel. Then, slide the bottom panel into place and secure it to the right side panel with confirmat screws. Next, slide the division panel into position and fasten it to the bottom panel. Insert the short cleat between the right side panel and the division panel, tightening it securely. Then attach the shelves to the division panel. Now, slide in the large shelf panel and secure it with confirmat screws. Insert and fasten the long cleats. Now, attach the left side panel to the assembled structure. Slide both backing panels into the grooves from the top. Now, attach the front top cleat. Attach the top panel to the main body and tighten. Now it's time for the doors. Place the door upside down and fit the hinges using the provided screws. Now place the door on the main body and tighten with screws into the pre-drilled holes. Screw one tubing bracket into the pre-drilled holes on each side panel. Secure the backing with 4 screws. Fit the provided handles to the doors. Fit the aluminium tubing. And we're finished. Setup is complete. Adjust the screws on the hinges to ensure the doors hang straight. Remember to use a damp cloth when cleaning. Avoid using excessive water as this may cause damage and void the warranty. Thank you for choosing me&co.